Hi everyone, I just wanted to kind of go over some tips that may help you in this class. So if you go to modules and click on it, I'm adding a few resources that I think would be very beneficial. So let's see. If you scroll down, let's just go to chapter 18 since that's what we're on. So I've added these videos. Now these are not my videos that I've made, but these videos are come with the book. I highly recommend that you watch the Learning Objective videos. This is really going to help you understand the material better. And then there are actually problems that a person that's doing the video where they actually work these. So if you click on it, let me just show you real quick what these videos look like. So let me turn it up.
New type of accounting, managerial accounting, which we'll focus on for the rest of our video tutorials. Let's begin by describing what managerial accounting is and why it's important.
And so
the statement of stockholders' equity, the balance sheet, and the statement of cash
flow.
flow.
Each objective has a lecture to go with it. So these are really good. It's basically like having a teacher in front of you teaching the objectives. The PowerPoint lectures I do are great, but they're very long. So breaking these up into objective videos will probably be a lot easier to follow. And then when you get down to the later objectives, you'll see that there's try it videos. So let me just show you what these look like.
In this try it, we're asked to prepare the schedule of cost of goods manufactured and the cost of goods sold section of the work in process inventory count.
I'm going to skip
amount of direct materials used.
So see, she is actually working
3 million.
A problem.
We're also told in the problem overhead these 3 items here. So work in process started with 12 million. We added.
So this is really going to help you if you go through these videos and then try to work some of the homework. I highly recommend that. One more thing that I do want to show you that is very helpful is my accounting lab study plan. If you go into my accounting lab, there will be, if you click on your study plan and click on all chapters, so say you're in chapter 18, you can click on each objective. Let's do 18.3, and you will see that there's all kinds of problems and questions you can work, and then you can also click on Quiz Me, and you can do a test. Now this is not going to count against your grade or anything. This is just extra practice. So remember, study plan is a good way to practice. And then the learning objective videos that I'm adding as we cover the chapters. So I've added those in, I did not add those in the statement of cash flows, but I did add it in financial statement analysis. So I will go back and add those objective videos here. And then you can see that they're in 18. So if you want to just click on My Lab and Mastering, here it is. I'll show you how to access these resources in My Lab and Mastering. So you definitely just want to click on Open. And if you click on the study plan, there it is. And then if you click on multimedia library, if you have that, you should have that. And then click on the chapter that you want. You can use all of these resources, but the video, I believe, let me just select all. The video will be down here, these lecture videos, but there are also flashcards. There's the direct reading template. There's the PowerPoint. Here's the Try It solutions. Interactive flashcards. There are so many resources. So if you get to the end of this video, I will ask you a question. What are the resources in the MyLab and Mastering that you should use? And if you answer study plan and learning objective videos, I will add 10 points to your first test. Have a great night.